Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you have an older car that doesn't have a backup camera, there is no need to go without because I found one that is so easy to install and great to use. My mom has an older Jeep and she was really wanting a backup camera so that she didn't have to strain her neck to turn around and look behind her. We got her this one from ECOCONUT. It took me less than 3 minutes to install and it's solar powered. We absolutely love that. Mom has a license plate that is to the left side of her rear bumper, and we just took the license plate off, installed it per the manufacturer's instructions, and it gives her a really good range of sight. The screen itself inside the car comes with a suction cup that can attach to a dashboard or a windshield. This is a 5-inch screen, and Mom feels that it's perfect for her. It's not too big that it takes up a lot of space, but it's big enough that she can really see behind her, so she feels confident backing up without turning her head around. We've had no issues with connection between the camera and the screen at all. We found that Mom hasn't had to charge the battery on the camera at all. The solar panel works perfectly. Mom is so excited that we didn't have to tear into her electric system in her car to put in a backup camera, and now she can see behind her perfectly. She absolutely loves it, and that's our point of view.